I'm totally ecstatic right now. I feel like jumping up and down.
Action! Look, I have a dream.
Mvaba was the place to be for speedy production times and huge public support this year.
Scene 3, shot 2.7, take 2. How could you?
St. James Senior Secondary School had the shortest shooting day, the best comic moment, and also won the inaugural Audience Development Award.
Cut!
Told me you should have been there. He was everyone's favorite.
I guess Nab'Ubomi over him.
I got to show me a he's well groomed. So I was very blunt to say as I go to. I mean, he kept brushing them off. It's obvious he only has eyes for you, Zoe.
Oh, guys, stop.
Students, let us take this opportunity to congratulate Vuyo Ngobo, who was chosen as Man of the Match this weekend. He will be representing the district in rugby at provincial level on Saturday.
Siyanda Kota.
Pregnant. I meant present.
Aluta Msogi.
Present, ma'am.
Mandisa Johnson. Absent for 3 consecutive days. Anyway, Vuyo Ngobo.
Present, ma'am.
Zoe Shasha.
Present.
Moving right ahead. Take out your poetry presentations. Vuyo Ngobo, you are up first.
Black, incontrovertible beauty is how I describe her. The one who has brought light into my life. My everlasting beam of light. Walking into the room is who, but she, her smile, my charm. As her presence meets my undivided attention, you really can't blame me for arousing her with romantic pleasures that trigger the essence of our love, raining like roses from above.
Quite charming indeed, though that is not the kind of poetry I'm looking for.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm late.
Of course you are late. You are not just late, you are very late.
Excuse the teacher. She went to buy a lollipop, not forgetting a bubble gum.
We need to talk.
Talk?
Of course.
Talk about what? There is nothing to talk about, Mandisa. Look, what happened on Saturday night was a big mistake. In fact, a huge one. Zoe is the only girl that I love, and she cannot find out about this. Saturday night is dead and buried. I can't afford to lose.
Damn it, Vuyo. I'm HIV positive.
Indoni?
I'm sorry, Vuyo. Now I'm only found out a few weeks back.
A few weeks back? So when you knew, right? Did you plan this, Mandisa? How dare you treat me like this?
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
What kind of a person does that, huh? Yes, you disgust me.
Vuyo.
How big rain that Joe, yes?
Ouch.
Wow, so you're still here?
Of course. Why wouldn't I be? Anyway, what's up with her?
Let it be. But yes, I really need to tell you something.
So, congratulations about Saturday, man of the match.
Oh yeah, that. Never fail to impress now, do I? Thanks, honey. But I think we need to talk about Saturday.
We always need to talk, don't we?
But
Yadlala Vuyo Teta. Sounds serious though. Should I be worried?
kinda,
Talk to me, Vuyo. What's up? You're scaring me now.
Zoe, honey, I'm sorry, but I betrayed you.
You betrayed me? How? Why would you do that?
It was pressure, ego, pride. I was drunk, Zoe. I'm very sorry.
Okay, let's give it a try. When's Zendon?
I slept with her.
Slept with who, Vuyo?
Mandisa. I slept with Mandisa. And she just told me that she's HIV positive.
Indoni?
Zoe, honey, I'm sorry. This was never my intention.
It wasn't your intention. Point is, you did it, Vuyo. You crossed those boundaries and forgot all about us. How could you?
Zoe, honey, we can talk about this.
There's nothing to talk about, Vuyo. Just let me go.
Zoe, please open the door.
Why did this have to happen to me? How could he?
Oh, why did I do this to you?
With their director absent most of the day,
Action.
the crew at Nombulelo Senior Secondary School in Grahamstown had to live up to their film's title and sweat. Their efforts have paid off, winning this year's Best Crowd Scene Award.
From Nombulelo. That's a rap.
What are you doing here? You what? Did you think I was gonna take my clothes off? Get out of my way.
So hard. But you did it anyway.
Lilita, I caught Sanelisa looking at me while I was dancing.
So, did you tell how you feel?
Girl, I got pride. Andizokwazi umxelela how I feel. Let him come to me.
Okay. So tell me about the dance.
Wow, it was cool and interesting. You should.
I'm sorry about what happened. I know I invaded your privacy. I just wanted to let you know that you're a great dancer.
You know what, Sanelisa? Just because all the girls here at school think you're all that, don't expect the same from me.
I was just appreciating good talent. If you're keen, I have a hip-hop dance group that practices every Wednesday here at school. We can teach you a thing or two. There's going to be a dance competition. We're going to crown the queen of hip-hop.
No way, man. Rontel just invited this freak to our club.
So you think you can teach me a thing or two?
Fit, let's bounce.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. So I see you've made it.
Yeah, I thought I would take you up on the offer.
Guys, this is Ibiwe. Be nice.
So, can you drop it like it's hot?
Girl, I drop it till the fat lady sings.
That's enough for the day. You guys can finish this on the show on Friday. Let's call this day a wrap.
Whatever, boss.
Hey, beautiful. You were rocking yesterday.
Sanelisa, I don't appreciate what you did yesterday. I danced to express myself. I danced with my heart. I danced to voice out my opinion. Now what you did yesterday was uncalled for.
What the hell is going on here? Is this some kind of a joke? Sanelisa, what do you see in this freak that I don't have?
Pamela, stop making a scene.
Oh, so now I'm making a scene. After you made a fool of me in front of the group by flirting with this biatch.
Sanelisa, I'm leaving. See you tomorrow.
You better leave before I make it.
Can you feel the temperature change? Because I think it's getting heated up in here. From the left side, I introduce to you Iviwe and Pamela. Will be crowned Queen of Hip Hop. Yeah. Give it up for Iviwe! Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard it and you've experienced all the fun. The winner is Iviwe!
Sanelisa, Ivo is in love with you.
Pamela, stop being paranoid. I have no feelings for her and she has no feelings for me. I just saw talent in her. Shh.
Hello guys, my name is Nombulelo. I represent the School of Performing Arts in Johannesburg. I am here to inform you that the Queen of Hip Hop is getting a bursary to study at my school.
Look what you have done. That bursary could have been mine. Why did you let her join the group?
I didn't know there was a bursary. Pamela, I didn't know.
Standing by.
East London's Clarendon High School for Girls made a valiant effort to defend their best of the festival crown.
Before you start, can you just wait for me until I say action?
Seriously, there's never opportunities like this that we're given. Like, I don't think they do this in other provinces and stuff.
See if you can spot the winner of this year's Best Scene Award.
Look, Subanati, it's been a year since the accident. I know that you're still mourning, but your education can't keep on suffering. You need to pull up your socks. It's either move past this tragedy or move out of this school.
Yes, Mrs. Myers.
Now, which period are you supposed to go to next?
English with Miss Farrer in room 206.
Ah, yes, Mrs. Farrer. She's no longer taking your class. The new teacher, Miss Pendock, in room 209, will be taking your class for the rest of the year.
Yes, another victim.
You will not cause any chaos in that classroom. Is that clear?
Yes, Mrs. Myers.
Now go to your classroom. Remember, it's room 209.
I'm back, guys! So what did I say?
The usual, of course. We know you're mourning and you need to pull your socks on. You missed the spot.
Oh my God. Hey, maybe Mrs. Myers is serious this time. You've got so much potential, especially in English. Make something of your miserable life.
Gloria,
please, make something of my life. At least I don't have a mother who cleans after other people's rubbish. Especially at my own school. Go to hell! I'm already there, sweetie.
Let me guess. 2 disciplinary hearings, 9 detentions. You must be Zubi and Saluba.
In the flesh.
Please, don't speak to me like that. Sit down. Right. I need to start teaching. Now, girls, you were doing the poem Mending Wall with Mrs. Farrow. What do you think the poem is about? Gloria?
Isn't it maybe about the wall, living in a magical forest with magical elves?
Gloria, next time, don't answer questions that are too intelligent for you.
Miss Saluba, if you consider that to be so unintelligent, I wonder, what kind of answer would you give?
Well, firstly, it's not about magical creatures, Gloria. Secondly, it's about the traditionalist notions that make neighbors like this neighbor want to stay separate. Also, the separation is caused by the farmer neighbor who's conforming to his father's rule, which is good fences make good neighbors.
Sit up straight, please. You know, Zubi, even if you are right,
which I am,
you need to prove that. It doesn't give you the right to ridicule other people's opinions. It's not on. Right, girls, you need to hand in your essays by the end of the lesson, please. Zubi, you know, your performance there with Gloria was really mean and unacceptable, and it actually shows me that you're not the rebel that everybody says that you are. But I must say that your answer was very good.
Hey guys, so what did you think about our new English teacher?
Well, she is funny. And in some crazy way, I think she actually likes you.
I agree. She likes you the way Mrs. Farrow liked you.
Miss Farrow hated my guts. And besides, I just made teacher enemy number 12.
Well, clearly, you were so pretentious and ostentatious towards her.
That's a tautology. I'm a rebel. Rebels aren't meant to be liked. Look, come tomorrow, she's going to give me an ugly mark in English and she's going to run like Miss Farrow did.
I don't know, man. She might be different.
You'll see tomorrow. Mark my words. Get it? Mark my words. She's going to mark our essays. Words. Mark. Guys!
5, 6, 7, 8. See something great. 9, 10, 11, 12. I see my friend Melvin. Thank you.
Glenda, thank you for that. Next will be Zainab.
Oh, sorry, forgot.
I wonder how much you'll be laughing, Zainab, when your report arrives. Next is Zubi.
Still, I rise. You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust, I'll rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? 'Cause I walk like I've got oil wells pumping in my living room? Did you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. bringing the gifts my mother gave. I'm the dream and hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise.
Girls, I need to give you, some of you, I need to give your essays back to you. So let's have a look. Carissa, you need to try harder, Carissa. And Gloria, well done. Gloria, well done. Zubi?
Why did you give me this mark?
You know, Zubi, for an intelligent girl, sometimes you really can ask stupid questions. In my 40-plus years of teaching, I've never given a mark like that, so that must tell you something.
Miss Pendock, I don't have any potential. Like you said earlier, 9 Saturday detentions, 2 disciplinary hearings. How can someone like me have potential? Mrs. Myers and the other teachers think I'm a waste of time. I'm a rebel. I have a reputation to uphold.
You know what, Zubi? In 10 years' time, people won't remember the rebel, because rebels don't make it. Now, I know about your accident. I know about your mother. I know you were driving the car and the brakes failed. But it was the brakes that failed, not you. It wasn't your fault. You're not to blame. You must remember that. You cannot take blame upon yourself. It is really now up to you to take control of your life. It is your will, your destiny.
As you know, Zubi and Saluba has been presented with an Honours Award. Can Zubi and Saluba please join me on stage?
Miss Pendock, I am now able to grow emotionally and psychologically in a way I thought was not possible. Live in the now. Use every opportunity to reach your fullest potential. I thank you.
I am here today with the Nab'Ubomi people with this fantastic opportunity of exploring creative talents and technology all bunched up in one.